हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम जैस्मिन। ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਿੰਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਜੀਕੇ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਕਰੰਟ ਅਫੇਅਰਸ ਦੇ ਮੋਸਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਤੇ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਕਵਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਫॉर ਅਪਕਮਿੰਗ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਐਂਡ ਹਰਿਆਣਾ ਹਾਈ ਕੋਰਟ ਕਲੈਰੀਕਲ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਐਂਡ these videos also helpful for the other Punjab state level exams. Apart from GK and current affairs, I'll also share videos of English. So please subscribe our channel, do like and share our videos. So let's begin our first question. Who has been recently appointed as a CAG? Rajiv Mehrishi is recently appointed as a CAG of India. He succeeded Shashikant Sharma. The CAG positions come under Article 148 of the Constitution. Keep remember Article 148, and the duration and period of this position is either of 6 years or up to age of 65, whichever is earlier. And the CAG is appointed by President of India. Which city got the status of India's first World Heritage City? Ahmedabad, and its status given by UNESCO. Surya Kiran is the joint military exercise between. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਜੀਕੇ ਲੈਵਲ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਜੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲਟਰੀ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪੁੱਛੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵੈਰੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਸੂਰਿਆ ਕਿਰਨ ਇਜ਼ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਜੁਆਇੰਟ ਮਿਲਟਰੀ ਐਕਸਰਸਾਈਜ਼ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਐਂਡ ਨੇਪਾਲ. 9th BRICS Summit was held in which city? Xiamen, China. And the theme of this summit was Stronger Partnership for Brighter Future. And one of the most important declaration of summit was BRICS plus cooperation. And the full form of BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. And the BRICS plus cooperation includes BRICS countries plus Mexico, Kenya, Thailand, Tajikistan and Egypt. What is the name of portal launched by Government of India for teachers? The name of portal is Diksha Portal. The portal was launched for providing digital platform to the teachers. Keep remember the name of portal for teachers, Diksha Portal. SLINEX, SLINEX is a joint maritime naval exercise. It is maritime naval exercise between India and Sri Lanka. SLI, keep remember Sri Lanka. India's first electric bus was launched in which city? India ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਬੱਸ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਸਿਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਂਚ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ? ਉਹ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਹਿਮਾਚਲ ਪ੍ਰਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ. And the bus was launched in Rohtang Pass area of Himachal Pradesh. What is the name of India's first indigenously built submarine? And the name of submarine is INS Kalvari. Keep remember the name of submarine INS Kalvari, and it is first India's built submarine. And the submarine was built by Mazagon Docks Limited in Mumbai. Which Indian movie has selected for the official entry to Oscar 2018? Very important question. And the name of movie Newton. And the Newton directed by Amitabh Musarkar. Which port is renamed as Deen Dayal Port? Kandla Port ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ Deen Dayal Port ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ. And the Kandla Port is located in Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. Which Indian metro became the world first green metro? Very important because it is the world first green metro and it is Delhi Metro. What is the name of second biggest concrete gravity dam in the world in terms of volume? Remember second biggest, and the name of the dam is Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat, recently inaugurated by our PM Mr. Narendra Modi. And it is second biggest. The first one is Grand Coulee Dam in USA. What is the name of the operation launched by Government of India to help Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh? And the operation name is Insaniyat. What is the name of program launched by Government of India to enroll 80 lakhs kids who are out of school. And the name of program, School Chalo Abhiyan. Very easy to remember. Who won 2017 US Open? US Open title in men's category, Rafael Nadal, and he belongs to Spain. Very famous personality. Name of the first Indian woman wrestler to sign WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment, India's first woman, and she is Kavita Devi. Name of the person who has been awarded 2017 Man Booker Prize. Don't confuse between International Man Booker Prize and Man Booker Prize. In this question, we are talking about Man Booker Prize, and the prize goes to George Sanders. He is from USA, and the prize for his full-length novel Lincoln in the Bardo. Name of the train Shatabdi Express refer to the century of, and the options are Mahatma Gandhi, Indian National Congress, India's War of Independence, and Jawaharlal Nehru. And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who out of the following was the first recipient of Bharat Ratna Award? पहला इंडियन भारत रत्न अवार्ड किन्नू दिता गया सी? एंड द ऑप्शंस आर BC रॉय, S चंद्रशेखर, CV रमन, गोविंद बल्लभ पंत, एंड it goes to CV Raman. AGMARK Agmark is the guarantee of standard. Options are quality, quantity, weight, and size, and it is the guarantee standard of quality. Which of the following crop is shown in the official seal of Punjab government? Punjab government की ਜਿਹੜੀ official seal है ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ crop ਦਸਾਈ ਨਾ? Options are paddy, sugarcane, maize, and wheat. And answer is wheat. The constitution names our country as. Constitution ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ country ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਹੈ? Options are Bharat, India as a Bharat, Hindustan या Aryavata. And the answer is India, that is Bharat. How many seats are there in the Punjab Legislative Assembly? Very frequently asked question in every Punjab level exam. And the options are 107, 117, 120, 127. And the right answer is 117. Who was the first Chief Minister of Punjab? Options are Dr. Gopi Chand Bhargava, S. Pratap Singh Ker, S. Lakshman Singh, Shri Bhim Sen Sanchar, and the answer is Dr. Gopi Chand Bhargava. Thank you, and this is first 25 questions. I'll share another questions up in my upcoming videos. Please do subscribe our channel and like and share. Thank you so much.